Working with IN4.0 and Mo and the team there has been absolutely brilliant. He introduced us to a few candidates which we interviewed, and we selected Joel from there, and he's been working with us since, and it's been going well. We have a very long and very manual procedure on the stock take. Joel has been developing an app that will be on an iPad or a phone, and he's written all the fancy software from scratch, and what's happening there is that we'll be able to cut the time of the stock take in half, as well as automatically update the system. We get a more accurate stock take, this project specifically. We save half the time. If you imagine there's 20 members of staff on a weekend performing the stock take, so if we can half that time down, we have a saving there, and he works well with our external IT support in making sure that everything's running smoothly here.
The impact that I've made at Poppies right now is I'm able to basically minimize the time that it takes for the stock take to be taken. And what that's basically done for me is giving me the confidence as an engineer that I can actually make a difference, so yeah.
Joel's able to go to IN4 and to bounce ideas off them. He's got someone there to come back with a solution himself.
Mo's giving me the opportunity, and Ben is really helping me out. The best way to put this is I have another family. You know, Poppies Europe is an amazing place, and they're giving me opportunities to actually go out there and have practical experience. So that's obviously improved me as a person and as an engineer, so I couldn't be more thankful.
I was slightly skeptical at first, but you don't know what you don't know. And there's a lot of things that can be done to move us forward and increase eventually the productivity of the factory and make savings. And I do believe this more than pays for itself, and it has been a brilliant success.
I am talent.